We're back. We're working on today on our off-leash Recal. We've got something called a sound box that we're working with today, which is going to show you guys, or that you can hear when I'm actually using my my pager collar. And I'll give you a perfect demonstration right now, where we want our dog's back to be turned. Now I'm going to start the pager just before, like I'm just about to now. Stand! Good. So we've got a couple of the other dogs around as distractions. They're a little bit more advanced. Alright guys, I'm going to start my pager when his back is turned. What we're looking for is a nice spin and turn. I'm going to start my pager now. Spin! Good. I'm not looking for a formal sit or a down or anything like that, guys. It's just come back to me as quickly as you can. All right, I'm going to start my pager. Spin! Good. We really want to focus on that turn and start our pager before that. I really want you guys to listen to that sound box of when I'm holding my my pager down. I'm going to do it once. As soon as he's coming back to us and he's committed, we release our pager. All right, guys, we're going to do it a couple more times. Spin! Good. Something I also like to do, guys, which I really want to show you guys as well. I'm going to start my pager. I want to move back. I want to move back and encourage him to us. So just sort of take a few steps back and really move back and reward with our treats. Really looking forward to getting amongst all the bikes and stuff over the weekend. It's something that I've never seen before. I'm going to start my pager. I'm going to move backwards, and I'm going to reward him with our treats. Alright guys, we'll keep working on this. More updates soon. Hey, we're back working on our off-leash Recal. We've got our sound box on today, guys, so you guys can hear when I'm actually holding my pager down. And we want to start the pager before. It's a really cue, it's not actually a correction. I'm going to start my pager right now. And I'm rewarding as soon as he comes towards me. I really want you guys to listen to that sound box for when I started. I'm going to start it again now. Good. And I want him to treat. I'm not asking him to sit or down or stay stationary. I just want him to come straight back to me. I want to really focus on that spin and that turn when he's away from me. Alright guys, I'm going to start my pager now. I hope you guys can see when I start my pager, we get that turn straight away. I'm going to start my pager. Smoky!